It's your girl, Hey Planner Girl, hey, and welcome to a new video. Today we are actually going to be looking at the Law of Attraction Planner, and look forward to my other video which will feature the astrological planner, the Magic of I. So let's get into it. Before we do, please make sure you like, you subscribe, and please leave a comment below. So, the Law of Attraction Planner. Some of you may have seen them on Instagram, a lot of people on YouTube PRing for them, and this video is not a PR video. This is me basically purchasing it myself. So I bought it during their, I guess, Boxing Day sale, and I got it in this gold color, which is absolutely my favorite, and it is Undated Life Planner. It's a soft cover, and you can pause the video here so you can take a good read at it. But just to give you like the gist of this planner is an undated planner, and it basically has 272 pages. There's a 12-month in there. But basically, it's what this planner can do for you. And this is where, you know, this is where you have to really look at the big idea of owning this planner instead of owning a passion planner. So this is something that has always kind of just struck me as something I've wanted for a few years. And it was just really expensive. And then finally I decided I am going to treat myself. And as you can see, there's some really great stuff in here. So let's first talk about the cover. My goodness, it is a yellow gold cover, okay? It's a yellow gold cover. There is the eye, the third eye, the evil eye, whichever you'd like to call it, and there it is. And there's this beautiful mandala going on, sort of a sun, and there's sort of beautiful, like, intricate designs. And then here you have some of the wonders of the world. And I think it's just stunning. I'm pretty sure they're the wonders of the world. Like, I see the Taj Mahal. I don't know about Big Ben. I think that's Big Ben. There's Jesus. You know, the statues of these resurrected Jesuses. Pretty cool. And then at the back, there's Freedom Mastery. And they did it really nicely in this rose gold here. So, before we get started, if you are interested, please stay tuned because I have a little code for you at the end of the video to save 10% off. And let's see what's inside. So first thing, it says, keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. And that's from Mahatma Gandhi. So that's pretty freaking awesome. Now here is your life statement, how I would love my life to be, your vision statement, how I want to contribute to this world. This planner belongs to, so here is obviously where you write your name and all your information. Now I love name pages, pretty much is what I'm trying to say. And so I like to decorate it. So I can't wait to share that with you guys and how I decorate it. And if you find this planner, please contact me and I'll give you cookies or something, which I will not lose my planner. Now here you have your planner index. So I'm going to just zoom in a little bit so you can see the bigger picture. And it says page, note, theme, subject, and you basically get 2 pages of that. Now, this is where the law of attraction is what everyone is really talking about. Like, if anything, I've never heard so many people on social media and like on TV shows just always reference manifesting and law of attraction and all of these things. So here you have number 1, your awareness and self-discovery, and it tells you what page it's on. And then from here, you find your life purpose and you make your mission statement and your vision statement. As you go there, you notice these little icons. There are things that you need to think about and put center in your life. So number 3 is set big goals on page 18 to 21, 23 to 26. From here, you continue through your mind map. You set your priorities. You create a harmony on all different levels in your life in all areas. And then number 4, it says create a vision board and a life statement. And that's something everyone's been talking about. I mean, girl, it's not 90 Day Fiancé where, oh, what's her name? Not Daphne. What's that name? Darcy. Darcy is always talking about her vision board. Like, goodness, everyone's talking about vision board. Make a clear strategy, let go of your old unsupportive story and create a new story. Program your mind to success, find your mentors, create positive surroundings, take action. And then all through here, there's some awesome things like 6, right? When you're here, your priorities, your goals, your gratitude, your habits, your visualization, reflection, decluttering. And then from number 7, you're going to feel good and manifest fast. Manifest fast. That's interesting. That's something I really want to read up on. I have no idea what that could possibly mean. Could it mean you're fasting in terms of staying away from certain things? Who knows? We're going to get there. So then get creative and follow your intuition. Just chill and schedule time to relax. And finally, number 8, reflect and celebrate. And then there's a beautiful, like, chill girl. For full details and examples, how to complete every step, check out the website. So there's that. Now, this is something that I have seen in every planner that I've watched on like different people YouTubing and whatever. So there is this really cool fold out like this, and it has your emotional vibration, your affirmations. And then there's sort of this cyclone thing going on here to basically talk about your joy, your knowledge to empowerment from your fear and grief. So there is this cyclone of how to move from here and move your way up. And I love this. I love this so much. Just, it's so colorful, the paper quality, everything. And then here are some questions of how to empower your day. So for example, like number 6, what am I committed to in my life right now? What about that makes me committed? How does that make me feel? And then some evening power questions. And it says answer the questions every morning in your mind or on a piece of paper. Visualize your answer and focus on how you feel. Interesting. And then there's energy levels, giving back, entertainment. So I guess they're giving you ideas. So for example, to give back, give someone a hug, do some charity work. To self-care, say yes, eat and drink healthy, do yoga. Entertainment, play a game, watch funny movies, cook your favorite meal. So there's a lot of great content. So basically, who created this content gives you sort of a prelude of to why. And the name, I think I saw the name. Was it here? There's the name of the person who created the law of attraction. I think his name is like Frederick Talon or Talon. So that's kind of their vision statement. And then why he created this planner for us, how to prepare your life for life journey, your acknowledgements, your resources and gifts, and then there's their social media. So that's pretty cool. Now to go on, you have your awareness and self-discovery. So like different important questions you want to ask yourself, right? So where you want to grow, how you're going to contribute in this world, how you're going to achieve, if I achieve my life goals, how would you feel? And then your mission and vision statement. So this planner is very purposeful. You can tell everything in this planner has a purpose. It is to prompt and prep you into being the very best version of yourself. You know, you don't have to wait till you're like 40 or 50 years old. You can find the best version of yourself right here, right now, without waiting for a milestone age. And I think that's something that we all fail to remember. Like, we don't have to wait for the new year. We don't have to wait for 2021. We can make changes today and right now. Now, over here is your goals. So your goals, my friends, your rewards if you achieve them, and how to get rid of blocks and distractions. So, you know, if you have any ideas, best place is the Googler if you need ideas. So this is cool too. So this is your journey, and how do you get there? So spiritual, professional development, relationships, career, financial, health, free time, and family. So where am I now? Where am I going? How do I get there in terms of those areas in your life? You get this really cool fold out, and you get a few years at a glance. And when you fold this out, it's your goals and how you're going to make them happen. Everything is color coded. So the purple is spiritual and personal development. And then here you could add pictures of the things you love in your life, which you're grateful for. If you have a Polaroid zip, which is like a little camera that you can print out cell phone images from, you could do that easy peasy. Creating your life statement. I am so grateful that, and then you add your life statement. Wow. Okay, so then I know this is going to be a long video, guys. Grab a snack and come on back. I'm telling you. Skills I want to master, habits I want to change, who am I surrounded by, who will keep me accountable, what can I delegate? And then there is write down reasons why you believe you are not successful. Wow. Creating your supportive story. What's holding you back? What's limiting your beliefs? And write down empowering and supportive beliefs that will help you in your new life story. This is so powerful. Okay, here we go. Chunk bigger goals into smaller goals. Wow. This is cool. This whole mind map. So in Passion Planner, they give you a mind map similar, but this is awesome. Okay, so now let's get to the planner. This is your month at a glance. Mine is Undated, and you can get stickers from your local Michaels or craft store, and I have so many stickers from like subscription boxes. So you can date them. Use some washi. Make it look pretty. Make it look awesome. Make it look yours. And then here is what the weeks look like. Now, I love a time stamp schedule. This is perfect for work because you can become very reflective, not just on work, but just your daily habits and routines in life. So, sorry about the shakiness. So your week's priority, and I love here your priorities and today's goals are up here. At the bottom, you have your to-do list and your positive habit maker, and you can do that. And then here are some creative space that you can be creative. So you get, pretty much you should get about 4 weeks in here. And then what happens, it jumps to the reflection of your month. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's just zoom in and appreciate this. I was trying not to because I'm trying not to shake my camera too much. Okay, there we go. Wow. This is awesome. You have a life scale. By the way, I hope you guys don't forget, this was me buying this. I am not a PR girl, and if Freedom Mastery wants to use this, please contact me and let me know. This is intense. And there's some guided questions, and then you get ideas and notes. And here again, you can create sort of a preempt to your next month's vision board. That's cool. So you get 12 months. Oh, let's check this out. So it says, imagination is everything. That is a preview of life's coming attractions. This is so freaking cool. Wow. Okay, there you go. If you want to check that out, you can pause the video. I have seen this bookmark on other people's videos, so that's cool. I'm going to leave that here. I like that ribbon color. The gold and the silver, that's beautiful. And then when you get to the back of the planner, you get some dot grid pages, And I think you get some more of these reflection on your year, and some dot grid. And then at the back, if you are someone who's never had planner piece or planner game or in the planner world or community, it tells you how to use this planner, which I will be definitely referencing. And then there you go. Look at that. See? You got your little vision board going on. They're giving you ideas. This is remarkable. I can't believe I waited so long. You know what? It's so worth the money. Like, I didn't buy one of these for, I think, 2 years because I was like, they're too expensive. But then I was putting down about $65 Canadian for a passion planner. And I'm like, I might as well just spend the extra money and then I can get something I really, really adore. Okay, last but not least, here is the pocket. It's made out of paper. And I think inside, no, it's not lined by velvet, but inside is a softer paper. You get a really nice band so you can hold the contents of your planner so nothing falls out. Wow, that was super awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, last but not least, don't worry, I haven't forgotten. Here's the code. Over here, I got stickers. I got some free stickers with this planner. I'm pretty sure, I think they come with all of the Freedom Mastery planners, Law of Attraction planners. So let's just quickly talk about them. We got some beautiful rainbow icons, dentist, grabbing your coffee, doing chores, vacuuming, going to the doctor, taking your meds, or your, you know, your supplements. Maybe if you have a new idea, going shopping, reading a book. Oh, and there's more. Yoga, working out, I guess walking your pet. Oh my gosh, it says it right here, girl. Eat healthy, finance, holiday, movies, and travel. No freaking way, there's another one. Okay. Going to the salon, spa, giving back, dinner, shopping, important birthday, important call. What was this one? Idea. That was idea. Oh my goodness. And then we have some rose gold and yellow gold on black matte stickers. And there you go. Let's appreciate all of these and our sticker love. Beautiful. Last but not least, we have some headers for I'm grateful for, my victories, urgent, books to read, shopping list, important, to delegate. Wow. So my friends, this is the Law of Attraction planner. Check it out. Let me know if you get one. Find me on Instagram and let me know. And here is what you've all been maybe waiting for. I'm going to give this card to my subscribers and new planner babes coming over. You can save 10% off with this coupon LAO. What did I say? Yeah, LOA. Jeez. LOA 10 off, and you can receive 10% off with this coupon, okay? And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Check it out. Happy planning. And again, if you use the coupon or the discount code, leave a comment below and make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thanks, my friends, for watching, and have a happy day. Bye!